Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to work with an image consultant or personal stylist, but thought you couldn't afford it? Have you always wanted someone to tell you what looks best on you and what clothes to buy? You don't need to hire someone else to tell you how to dress. This course will teach you everything you need to know about how to dress for your body and which clothes you should be buying. I'm Jennifer Renzulli, and I want to thank you for joining me on this course about how to transform your appearance. You're now on your way to becoming your own personal stylist. Throughout the next few hours, we'll be covering such topics as body image, that is, how you feel about yourself and how you think others perceive you. Body types and how to dress them. We'll define what your specific body type is and how to dress it. Modifying clothing, that is, buying clothes off the rack at a store and then bringing them home and having them tailored to fit your body shape. Editing your current wardrobe. We'll look at your current wardrobe and go through and eliminate clothes that aren't working for you, and find other clothes that may just need some tailoring. Makeup and hair. We'll have real-life examples of how to do it. Determining your best colors. By using color palettes and fabric swatches, we can determine which colors best suit your skin tone. And finally, dressing for your personality style. Even though you may have a similar body shape to other women or work in a similar environment, it doesn't mean you have to dress the same way. Everyone has their own unique personality, and you should dress according to that. By the end of this course, you'll have a much better understanding of your body and how to dress it accordingly. I'll also provide you with some tips on how to enhance what you already have. There's a lot of information in this course, so don't be intimidated. You'll most likely need to review some of the sections multiple times once you start to understand your own body more, and you'll definitely want to take notes as we go along. As we go through the sections, I strongly recommend stopping and writing down which part of that section you are. For example, in the body shape section, once you determine your own body shape, make sure you write it down. Do the same for measurements, personality style, color palette, face shape, etc. That way, at the end of the course, you can review the sections that pertain just to you, and you can make notes based on what you should buy and wear for your body. Unfortunately, taking your measurements will be required, so you'll want to have a measuring tape handy. But don't be scared. I promise, it won't hurt.